Hello, I honestly cannot believe what Anthropic just released. Cloud can now control your computer, and I don't mean just reading the files or opening a browser. I mean actually using your apps, moving the mouse, typing and completing real tasks for you. If this works properly, this changes everything. Let's set it up together and see how powerful it really is. First, go to Cloud settings. But before this, try to update to the last version. As you can see, it is downloading the latest update. I'll click relaunch again. Okay, I think I'm on the latest version now. Now please go to the settings, and on the desktop app, please click on general. Let me close it again and open it. It should appear here, but it seems it does not work. If this does not work, I will log out and I will log in again. Okay, now let's check. Yes, this is how it works. You can try to enable computer use. Please read here. I will turn on for now. And for the you also have to turn on the accessibility and screen recording. Now let's test something simple. Go to cowork, click on new task, and let's test the following. Take a look. Everything works perfect. Now let me show you another example. I have the following prompt. On my Skool community, Automation Tribe, please create a post about this new release from Anthropic. Include the title and the description along with the reference link, but do not post it yet. I want to review it first. Now let's see if it works. I'm very curious. If this will work, then you can leave reviews on and post on Reddit, on X, without using any API. Take a look. He already found the link. Let's see if it is able to post it on my behalf. Here it is. Take a look, it's amazing. He already clicked on the title. Let me see if it is able to. Yes, exactly. This is not exactly the post I wanted to find for me, but it is my fault. Take a look. This is amazing. Okay, if you want to show me another cool tricks, please join this community, because I have some cool ideas for you. Thank you. Bye bye.